Hello everyone. So in this we are going to learn about IELTS reading, skimming and scanning. So guys, whenever you are planning to take your IELTS reading practice, it is important that you focus on skimming and scanning. Skimming and scanning दो ऐसे elements हैं, अगर इन strategies को आपने undertake कर लिया या इन strategies को आपने master कर लिया, then definitely your IELTS reading is going to become very easier and you will be able to manage your time accordingly. So let's suppose there's a passage and the questions are given to you on the same basis. So ये अगर मैं इसको पढ़ती हूँ, I don't have to read it completely. I have to first try to understand what it is trying to talk about, right? So skimming का जो process होता है, in this you are supposed to read the very first line of the sentence. So अगर हम देखेंगे, the entire passage is divided into 3 parts, right? तो सबसे पहले पैराग्राफ का फर्स्ट लाइन अगर हम पढ़ते हैं, मैरी क्यूरी इज प्रोबेबली द मोस्ट फेमस वुमेन साइंटिस्ट हु हैज एवर लिव्ड, राइट? तो यहाँ पे अगर इस सेंटेंस के इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट्स की बात की जाए तो व्हाट द सेंटेंस इज ट्राइंग टू टेल अस, द सेंटेंस इज प्रिसाइजली गोइंग टू टेल अस दैट उनका जो लाइफ था, उनके अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, राइट? Now, do not read the remaining part of the paragraph. However, jump immediately on the last line of this paragraph. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. So यहाँ पे अगर आप दोनों ही sentences को combine करके analyze करने की कोशिश करते हैं, you would find that both the sentences are somewhere talking about the achievements of Marie Curie. That means the first passage is talking about the achievements of Marie Curie. Coming on to the second paragraph, read the first line. From childhood, Mary was remarkable for her prodigious memory and at the age of 16 won a gold medal on completion of her secondary education. This is the first line. अब अगर हम last line पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, then the last line comes like, from her earnings she was able to finance her sister Bronia's medical studies in Paris, and on understanding that Bronia would in turn later help her to get an education. अब यहाँ पे अगर आप फर्स्ट सेंटेंस और लास्ट सेंटेंस को कंबाइन करके उसका बेसिक मीनिंग निकालने की कोशिश करते हैं, you would find that the second paragraph is majorly talking about the childhood of Marie Curie, right? So इस पैराग्राफ में अचीवमेंट्स की तो बात है ही है, बट अचीवमेंट से ज्यादा फोकस अगर किसी चीज पे किया जा रहा है तो वो है चाइल्डहुड ऑफ मैरी क्यूरी. Now let's go to the last paragraph and read the very first sentence. In 1891, this promise was fulfilled and Mary went to Paris to begin her studies at the Sorbonne University of Paris. अब यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे कि जो फर्स्ट लाइन है, this has given you a hint कि शायद यहाँ पे उनकी हायर एजुकेशन की बात की जा रही है. Let's come on to the last line of this sentence only. This was not until the spring of that year that she was introduced to Marie Curie. So यहाँ पे ये जो प्रोसेस हमने किया है of reading the first line and the last line of each paragraph, this is called skimming. कि skim करके हमने ये filter कर लिया है that on this particular topic what the entire 3 paragraph individually are talking about, right? अब चलते हैं इसके questions पे. Suppose question यहाँ पे दिया गया है true false not given. First is, Marie Curie's husband was a joint winner of both Mary's Nobel Prize. अब इस क्वेश्चन को अगर मैं देखती हूँ कि इस क्वेश्चन का रिलेशन किस पर्टिकुलर पैराग्राफ से हो सकता है, सो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ वाज अचीवमेंट, सेकंड पैराग्राफ वाज अर्ली एजुकेशन एंड थर्ड पैराग्राफ वाज हायर एजुकेशन. सो यहाँ पे मुझे पूरा पैराग्राफ रीड करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, यहाँ पे मुझे तुरंत हिंट मिल गया that this particular question I will be able to find in the paragraph 1. और यहाँ पे इस पैराग्राफ में उसको ढूंढने की अगर मैं कोशिश करती हूँ, so you can see here that she is famous for her work in radioactivity and was born twice a winner of Nobel Prize with her husband Marie Curie and Henry Becquerel. That means she was awarded once with husband and one with another one, right? So this is called scanning, ki particular identifying the location of the answer and then working and trying to find the questions and answers in the same paragraph, right? Second is Mary became interested in science when she was a child. That means this answer you will be able to find in the paragraph 2. And third, Mary was able to attend the Sorbonne because of her sister's financial contribution. You will be able to find it in the second paragraph. So this is how you are supposed to do the process of skimming and scanning.